All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of what is a final review build of a car I built. So you're probably thinking that it's probably the Trop Arctic Pontiac. Very cool old school monogram kit here. I love these old NASCAR kits. If you follow along my page, you know how much I love these. So I found this one at my local hobby shop. It was sealed. It was a good price. Bought it because I never did the 66 Dick Trickle Phillips 66 Trop Arctic. So when I opened it up, it was a sealed box, but when I opened it up, I quickly realized it was a resealed box because there was no decals in it. The entire car was in there, but there was no decals. So I went online, found some Powerslides. I love Powerslide decals, and I got myself some rusty Wallace Miller genuine draft Pontiac decals. Alright, let me tell you a little bit about the kit here. This is an old Monogram kit here, so you know it's good. For some reason, my tires on my right side here kind of stick out a little further than the left side. I don't know what's up with that. This is Duplicolor paints. I'm not particularly proud of the paint scheme that I put on it. I wish it was a little shinier. I could not find my, what you call it? I just had it in my mind. Use McGuire's polishing compound. That would have shined it up a bit. I cannot find my bottle of that. Also, when I put it on the turntable here, my rear suspension kind of broke off here a little bit. So that should actually sit like that. So when we're done here, we'll super glue that back in there. Because right now, it won't. Alright, so these Powerslide decals are really good. Let me show you the top there. Are really cool. It's got 3 number 27 CUs. It's got 2 white outline ones, and then the black one that I really like, which signifies different cars. Why is this side so different? Anyways, it signifies different races. There's raced. I like the black one, so I did the black outline. But I also realized with my research that with the black outline on the 27, there is no white outline on the Miller logo. So I thought that was kind of interesting that they didn't give you 2 Millers, but whatever, really cool. Roll cage is, I used one of the white 27 little ones there for the dashboard there. Roll cage is the roll cage, nothing spectacular, just built straight out of the box. Engine is underneath the hood, if I get the hood off. You know, didn't the hood come off earlier? What the hey? Alright, so my hood is stuck on here somehow. Hold on, let me put this down for a second here. I'll continue talking to you guys here as I pop the hood off, as you heard it just pop off. Anyways, that was embarrassing. So there's my engine. Old school Pontiac engine. Pretty cool. Nothing spectacular there. Love these monogram kits. Everything goes together so great on them. There's my hood. There's my hood. I can find the lens there. Like I said, I really need to polish this one up. I think it's good. Old school rusty Wallace car before he drove the number 2 Penske. Decals were good. Had no problems with decals. A little problem with the striping going around here. You had to cut the striping. The red and white should go over the license plates there. No big deal. The striping on the front actually should be a little lower too, because the white should go on the top of the air vents there. But if I lowered it any more, it would have been lower than the striping on the side of the car there. So wanted to try to keep it pretty straight. All right, so that's my review real quick here of the Rusty Wallace number 27 Pontiac with Powerslide decals. Alright, everybody, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you sticking around. There'll be a little slideshow at the end here. If you're subscribed, I thank you for subscribing. You're really appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's always free from my page. Never ask you for anything. And I'm always got cool cars I'm working on. Go back through my my previous videos. You can see that there's a lot of stuff on this page. Alright, everybody, appreciate you. Wherever